Wetiriglo, pardon. Nilipen sa Miruptalon BP, Niliarta Ningkan Praise Circuit. Nilirong Tikilangjung, Dongmuka, Perbianglong. Nilikichar Liangdeng, TDC first semester, Tongno Bay College Long. Nilining Ki Hamasai, Lunkilun Lapen Nirki A, Lapen Nilikaya Long Kima, Nilinut Kimisen Air Hostess Kimanchia Pansi, Nilining Ki Ham. Laan Pensi, Nilichapal Chinya Lante, Ington Pony Koblo. Pardon.
I would like to call on pageant number 9.
Hello, Jyoti B. Sangma.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
English?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So my question is, what is the most important lesson for us to learn from life?
Well, thank you for the question, ma'am. Life is all about never giving up. No matter how many times you fall down, you always strive to come up and try and be the winner. Thank you.
Contestant number 6, next I would like to request contestant number 7 to please walk to them.
Thank you.
beauty pageant?
My parents actually, because my dad has struggled so much so far, and I want to make this moment and give this credit to him, and because he is a very, very special person to me. I hope that you're watching this. It was a very good experience that I got to learn so many things, not just about myself, but I gained confidence and I started to know more about beauty pageant. Thank you so much.